How to message group admin on Telegram. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video, and in today's video I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to message group admin on Telegram. To do it, so you just have to follow the simple steps. First thing first, you want to go ahead and make sure that your Telegram application is completely up to date. After which, you want to go ahead and open up your Telegram application. When you open up your application, it will take you to the chat page, which will look something like this. Now here, you need to go ahead and locate the chat page where you want to go ahead and contact the admin or message the admin. Now in my case, it's this one, so you could see that it's impossible to locate it from here. What you need to do is go ahead and click the group name, and after which you just want to go ahead and locate who is actually the admin. So you could see there are different admins, so I'm just gonna go ahead and type open up the chat page, or just open up the profile for this. So this is what, then you could actually see there's this chat page, or there's this board. Just click on this blue icon in the top right. Once you do it, so now you could go ahead and type in the message as these and click the arrow icon, and you will be able to send the message. So this is a simple way to message group admin on Telegram. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.